Let's see how to import Excel data into SAS. Click Server Files and Folder, then highlight Files Home icon. Click Upload icon and upload your Excel file. You can see in left corner your file is there now. Double click your Excel file in left side, then you can get file location. Then copy that file location. Let's see how to add that imported Excel datasheet into our program. Type PROC import data file equal, paste your file location here, type out equal work dot my Excel dbms equal XLSX replace, close with semicolon. Next row, get names equal yes semicolon, then run semicolon. Proc print data equal work dot my Excel semicolon, then run semicolon, then run your data. You get your data like this.